Boker Tov, good morning. We continue with a 3-minute daily Tales of Torah. We're looking at the plague of blood, and I left you off yesterday talking about, well, the first Jewish businessmen who take advantage of a situation, really. I'll read you what the Shmos Rabbah says. We'll just read this in English. When the Torah says, the fish that were in the river died, Rabbi Avin Halevi, I'll read it in Hebrew, actually. Rabbi Avin Halevi, Rebbe said, Makat dam ha'eshiru Yisrael. You should know the Israelites made a big profit out of the plague of blood. Kate said, how so? Hamitzri Yisrael bebayit echad. This is how it works. A Jew and an Israelite are sitting together in a house. V'hagigit melea mayim. And so, the big container was filled with water. Umitzri halach lemalod hakiton mitocha. So the Egyptian walked over to this big barrel of water, right, to fill it up. And as he filled it up, it was bloody. It was for him. It became blood. Let's read it this way. Hold on a second. Let me pause on a second. So the Egyptian went to fill up the water from it, and as soon as he did, it was bloody. And there comes the Israelite, the Israel. He came to draw the water, and it was water. It was water. So he says, "Please give me the water." So, but how's it going to work? As soon as he hands it to the Egyptian, it's going to turn to blood. Also, what's the difference? But maybe not. So the Egyptian said, "Give me some water with your own hand." He gave it to him. It still became bloody, even if he gave it to even if he said to him, "Let us both drink from one vessel," the Israelite would drink, but the Egyptian had blood. It was only this is, I don't know whether this is like genius or embarrassing, but of course they are destitute slaves. When the Israelite would say, "If you pay me for the water, it will remain water," so it was. And firstly, by the way, it's a wonderful play on words in the Midrash, because the word for blood is dam. The word for money is damim. So it's a little play on words in the Midrash. But this is the way in which God found a path. God found to give the Israelites something. Right, it's not the conniving, sneaking Jew here story. That's not what the story is, but rather a way in which the people who are destitute and slaves begin to find a way to have a little something from the plague of blood, that they were able to sell the bottled water, as it were, and have a little bit of profit along the way. Hope that's interesting to you. Talk about it with your friends if you wish. We'll continue, God willing, tomorrow, our continuation of our learning. Have a great day.